and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another episode of James DIY Garage. I'm James, and of course, this is my 2014 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. It's got 80,000 miles on it, and it's been 7,000 miles since my last oil change. So I'm going to change the oil today. I know I've got two other oil change videos, but this time I'm going to do it a little different. This time I'm going to use the suction method. And once I get everything I can out of the engine using the suction method, I'm going to lift the car up, pull the plug, and I'm going to either verify or bust the myth that the suction method gets everything out. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing if you like watching videos on how to DIY your Maserati Ghibli. Also, like the video and please leave me some comments. I answer all comments. It's a hot day today. I'm going to make this a short video hopefully. But I've got the car warmed up already. We're going to go ahead and start the extraction process. Okay, as you can see, well, you can't see, I've already removed the filler cap and the dipstick, which is right there, and I've inserted the hose down into the dipstick tube, and we're going to get ready to start pumping here. I'm not going to record the whole pumping thing, but I'm going to go ahead and start pumping, and we'll get everything out that we can with the the hand pump. I'm using a hand pump like this. This is actually the same one I used to put transmission fluid in the transmission. I wanted to do that first because I didn't want to use this for extracting oil, then put transmission fluid in, not to get oil in my transmission fluid. So now you guys get the point. So let's start extracting. See what we get here. We got some suction going on. Seems like. See if we can get any in there. Oh, here comes some. Oh man, it is hot out today. Just checked, it's 100 degrees out right now. Whew, and it's just afternoon time. It's gonna get hotter yet. Fortunately, I've got a pool in the backyard, and after I'm done with my job here, it's right back into the pool. Well, I've got everything out that I think I got out. I had to pull the little hose in and out while I'm still sucking to make sure I miss anything. So I'm thinking I got everything out that we can get by using the suction method. And over here is what you see that I got out. That's after 7,000 miles. I'm going to pause this recording, and I'm going to get a clear cup, and I'm going to show you what your oil looks like at 7,000 miles. Okay, what you see in front of there is a clear plastic cup of the oil that I just extracted from my engine using the suction method. This here is a 9,000 lumen flashlight. We'll put it there, and you can't see anything through that fluid at all. You can't see through the fluid at all. The light's not going through the fluid. Now this is at 7,000 miles. Can you imagine what your oil is like at 12,500 miles, the manufacturer's suggested interval you're supposed to change your oil? This is why I change my oil every 7,000 miles. The engine will last a lot longer. Okay, now it's time to either bust or verify the myth. The suction method gets all of the oil out. I'm going to lift the car, and I'm going to pull the plug and see if anything comes out. Okay, this is the moment of truth. We find out whether I see a drop coming out already. We'll find out whether the suction method does get all the oil out. I've already broken the drain plug loose. I'm going to pull it off and see how much comes out. According to the myth, nothing should come out. Aha! My old crush washer just fell in here. That's all right. See? So, I don't know what you guys think, but I think the suction method does not get all of the oil out. We'll go ahead and let this drain for a little bit. Well, I'll let you guys be the judge. Does using the suction method get all of the oil out of the engine? For me, no, it does not. There was a little bit left in, and I would rather have the oil, all the old oil out, so that when you put the new oil in, there isn't very much old oil left in the engine to mix with the new oil. You get the point. So it took me about 20 minutes using that hand pump to get as much of the oil out as I could. So it wasn't that much. I'm probably going to do it this way, the rest for all my other oil changes, because if you watch my second to the last, and even I think my first video, oil change video, pulling the plug made a big mess. So at least the good thing about using the suction method is you get most of the oil out, and there's only a little bit left in, so that when you pull the plug, it doesn't come gushing out like it does if you pull the plug initially. So it's a lot cleaner, I will admit. So I'm thinking I like the suction method. It just wanted to bust the myth, does it get all of the oil out? No, I think you should pull the plug too and drain the rest out, personally. So that will effectively end this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys like watching videos on DIY Maserati Ghibli projects, or if you like myth-busting videos regarding the Maserati Ghibli, please consider subscribing, like this video, click the bell so you'll be notified of future videos when they come out, and please leave me some comments. I do answer all my comments. I like the comments a lot. Now, time to finish the job and get the pool. No paddle time today, it's too hot. Bye.